Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how to rotate our game object around any of the three axes using Translate.Rotate function. So in the scene we have a cube and it has a rotate cube script attached. Let's open the script. To rotate our game object, all that we have to do is call the Transform.Rotate function in the update function. So in the update function we call Transform.Rotate and pass it the three parameters which are the values of angles in each axis. We pass it a 1 for x and 0 for y and z. This means that our cube will rotate around its x-axis at the rate of 1 unit angle per frame. Let's save the script, return to Unity, hit play, and as you can see, our cube starts rotating around its x-axis. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.